own husband is having an affair with my daughter, our own daughter.
My people, this video one I'm about to watch, so now papa when they sleep with her own daughter, then her mom can't call this lady. Welcome to Niger Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe. My returning, I appreciate you guys all. This video one I they watch, so this lady, she says she gets daughter. Then her daughter can't say she want travel. Since 2 weeks, then her daughter can't travel. After 2 weeks, her husband can't pack her whole load. Can't say he wants to travel for 2 weeks. Then she can't say, oh, now somebody can call this lady say, madam, may you come? Your husband and your daughter, they hotel. They do vaga themselves. They bulala themselves. They sugar tin themselves. They chop pikin. They chop papa cucumber. Papa they chop pikin woto. Now they go there. As they reach there, my people, behold. Now Sonia official tell the girls. Now she knock for hotel. I'll leave the man and see watch the video. Now the girl, cause who is that? Say now me recession. I say, oh, now she open that. She just open door. The girl say one close and now they quick push the girl. See papa sit down for bed tutu. And daughter tie towel for a papa. My people, this word. This one we they see every day for social media. It break my heart. You mama, you come. How old is that your daughter? When your daughter will tell you, say, mama, I dey go outside. I dey go travel for 2 weeks. Where she tell you, say she dey go. If they go see, if you see this my video, I need that your answer and I need that your explanation. If this video na read through. Where your daughter tell you, say she dey go. And wait till you come, when your daughter tell you say they travel, where she they travel, they go. Because mother, now we supposed to be our daughter keeper. Because you know, imagine if no be your papa, now they say they do vagara. Now those Yahoo Plus can't use your daughter. Your daughter just wake up, say she want travel. Your daughter tell you say want travel since 2 weeks. That is your daughter, they now runs girl. That is your daughter now. You just come out. Because as me see that girl, she's still young. She's still young. Where, my people, I bring this thing, come for now. Papa, the man come open mouth, say, my wife, I will buy you car. Don't worry. I will buy you. That woman say, do abomination, and it's real abomination. If for my side, now forbidden thing. It dey key self. For my side, it dey key. If you dey out there, your papa they do vaga you, my brother, my sister, please talk come out. It dey key. It dey key. If your papa they do vaga, it dey key. Run for your dear life. Leave that house for your papa. If you're maybe now something, you know about now this man, maybe now although because all those rich people, many of them, there be in fact there be wait I want put there. All those spiritual people, power. They'll say be sleep. How can you be sleeping with your own daughter? Something when you take produce your daughter, take born your your casa when you take born your daughter. You can see they put them for your daughter body. Whether if they use them for power. Now they are just saying. You know say I'm waiting evil talk. I will buy you car. He say you go buy a wife car. Because they use daughter blood till they produce the money. Because me I not see my people. Some men not really feel control themselves. Man will not feel control herself or daughter. Imagine a house girl if they stay with this man. What you feel say go do? Imagine a house girl they stay with this kind man. He go don't do it for mouth, do it for nose, do it for in fact all over her body. In fact, do it for armpit. In fact, do it for all body. This man, if I don't do it for everywhere, your own daughter, your own blood, and you, the girl say no beef in fault. Say na papa. How old are you? If you even be teenage, you don't grow to know say this man and your father. How you feel they would as far as you don't they see men flower, you don't know what it be. At least you know who they need care for your papa present again. Yes. You know they need care for your papa present again. See as mama they do one. My people. This one should lies me, oh. If you dey out there, papa, you dey do your pikin this thing, it not good. It dey very bad. Abi you the girl, you no see man no dey toast you. When your papa come toast you, now you can't accept am. Man no dey toast you at all. You know they get toast for man. The one wey come say dey vex me, why Sonia come cover the man face? Because supposed to show the man face. Abi na my eye dey deceive me. Abi if na watch this video, make una tell me why Sonia official dey block the man face. Why she not block the girl face? It's better she block the girl face than to block the man face, because the man face something they in face. I no understand something dey the man face. My people, now this one bring come na table. How papa take the duduvaga daughter take the duduvaga papa konkuba cassava. Maybe not see her for outside. My people, this word don deep. Oh, this word don deep. Pikin papa, the mama catch two of them. No be say na side chicks, or no be say na outsider. Now papa they will the duduvaga take the cheat on his wife. Oh, in your blood, in your flesh and blood. I be in your My people, I go leave una. I'll meet una in my next video. Make una watch this video. Make una tell me what una own opinion. What una think. Make una drop her in the comment section. Okay, my people. And this one I get. Make una enjoy the video. Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Is having an affair with my daughter, our own daughter.
Mommy, he's not a stepdaughter. He's not.
My own. That's our own daughter, not outside daughter, not a stepdaughter, not my own daughter with him.
Jesus Christ.
Now, my daughter told me that she was traveling since 2 weeks now. And my husband told me that he was also traveling since 1 week now. Not knowing that my husband was in the hotel with my own daughter.
Hey.
That is to come and follow me to the hotel where they are now, so that she will cover everything that will happen there, so that we will tell the whole world and show the whole world what is happening in this world, because it's an abomination.
Doubt about this.
Someone, I said, do you want me to repeat it again? Someone called me, someone told me that my husband is having an affair with my daughter. And that is why I said Sonia should come and follow me down to the hotel where they are now. She told me the hotel where they are.
So we are able to find out the room based on the investigation, you understand? So we want to go to the room. I just need to, carry you guys along. So Mama, please just come down. Hello, is the receptionist?
Oh my God! What are you doing here?
Mama!
With your own daughter!
Don't raise your voice.
I should not raise my
Oh, we can talk about
Oh my
this.
God!
We can talk about
Oh my God!
Mommy, please, Mama, it's okay, it's okay.
Allow me to do it! Allow me to do it!
Mommy, please.
Touch me!
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
What is my side?
It's okay.
Get out of my sight! Get out! Hey! And you! Hey! What have I done? What have I done to deserve this? What have I done to you? What have I done to you to deserve this? You will buy me what? You will buy me what? Shame on you! Shame on you! Hold your cat to yourself! I don't want it! I don't want it! I don't want anything from you! I will expose you! I must! You listen! And you! I will disown you! You will cease to be my daughter from today! You will cease to be my daughter!
It's okay, it's okay.
Please let me beg my mom.
Why you gonna sleep with your father?
It's better this for me. Mommy, please.
Don't give me a name!
My love.
That's lovely! Come on, get out! I said, don't say it again! I don't need anything from you!
Mommy, please.
Come on, get out!
Mommy, please.
Madam, it's okay.
Foolish girl!
Hey, she's Oga, why you go do that kind of thing? Why you go to sleep with your father? Which devil? Which devil? Say you as you know young like they sleep with your father. You know what I'm
Mommy, please. I don't know what come over me. Mommy, please. I'm sorry.
You don't know what come over you! You don't know what came over you!
Please.
Don't you touch me!
Mommy, please.
If you touch me, I will descend on you! Come on, get out!
Mommy, please. No, forgive me,
My
please.
love.
Who is this girl?
Mommy, please, you're the only one I love. Please.
My sweetheart, please. You know how much I love you. It's temptation. It's not much more, please.
You love me. Leave me. Leave me. Hey. Madam,
Now everybody go to breakfast.